Good evening viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News Any. Assam Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi today asserted that the central government must listen to the demand of farmers. This statement comes as the farmers gather at the Sambhu border to plan their march to Delhi with a charter of 12 demands. Here we are bringing you the full details. Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi urges centre to heed farmers' demands. Farmers march to Delhi with a 12-point charter. Gogoi accuses BJP ministers of favouring Adani over farmers. SP and Shiv Sena MPs label BJP as anti-farmer. Farmers demand MSP assurance. Yes, viewers, Assam Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi today asserted that the central government must listen to the demand of farmers. The statement comes as farmers gather at the Sambhu border to begin their march to Delhi with a charter of 12 demands. While addressing to reporter, Gogoi stated that the government should understand and listen to the demands of farmers, which are very important. The government should not give false hope to the farmers. Furthermore, the Assam MP also took a jibe at the BJP ministers, calling them ministers for Adani rather than for the party. Meanwhile, Samajwadi Party MP Ram Gopal Yadav stated that the government should accept the demands of the farmers. Shiv Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi stated that this is unfortunate that the farmers continue to fight and the BJP continue to ignore them. Farmer leader Sarwan Singh Pandey stated that a group of 11 farmers will move towards Delhi peacefully. The police have barricaded the Ambala-Delhi border as the farmers will leave from Sambhu border for Delhi today. Their protests center on several demands, including a legal assurance of a minimum support price. Here is what Gaurav Gogoi have stated.
देखिए, सरकार को समझना चाहिए कि किसान के मुद्दे काफी महत्वपूर्ण हैं, किसान से बात करनी चाहिए और इस बार झूठे दिलासे नहीं देने चाहिए।
सर, बीजेपी ने ऐलान किया कि कांग्रेस का रोल है फॉरेन फंडेड एंटी इंडिया नैरेटिव के साथ कांग्रेस है। निशिकांत दुबे ने
ये बीजेपी की नेता नहीं है, ये अडानी के स्लीपर सेल्स है, तो इनसे यही बातें हम उम्मीद करते हैं। थैंक यू।
Yes, viewers, as farmers have begun gathering at the Sambhu border for a planned march to Delhi demanding action on 12-point charter that includes legal assurance for a minimum support price. Opposition leaders have expressed solidarity, urging the central government to address farmer grievances. Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi criticized the BJP-led government for allegedly ignoring the farmers' concern. While addressing to reporters, Gogoi stated that the government must listen to the farmers' demand. False promises will not longer surface. He also took aim at the BJP minister, accusing them of prioritizing corporate interests, specifically mentioning Adani. Following the protest, authorities have increased security at the Ambala-Delhi border, erecting barricades to manage the protest. Farmers are expected to depart from the Sambhu border for Delhi today. The protest reflects lingering dissatisfaction over unresolved agricultural issues despite the rollback of continuous farm laws in 2021. Opposition leaders' statement highlight the border political ramifications of the farmers' movement, reinforcing its significance in India's socio-political landscape. Here is what Gaurav Gogoi have stated.
मार्च करने वाले
देखिए, सरकार को समझना चाहिए कि किसान के मुद्दे काफी महत्वपूर्ण है, किसान से बात करनी चाहिए और इस बार झूठे दिलासे नहीं देने चाहिए।
सर बीजेपी ने ऐलान किया है कि कांग्रेस का रोल है फॉरेन फंडेड एंटी इंडिया नैरेटिव के साथ कांग्रेस है। निशिकांत दुबे ने
ये बीजेपी की नेता नहीं है, ये अडानी के स्लीपर सेल्स है, तो इनसे यही बातें हम उम्मीद करते हैं। थैंक यू।
That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Anyway.